Hello everyone, welcome to the Stealing Insights YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about how Gaius Frederick, a 10-year-old boy then, actually tricked his teacher. The teacher walked into the class because the class was making noise and wanted to get them busy, and told them that what is the sum of all numbers from 1 to 100. And most of the students were solving 1 plus 2, that's 3, then 3 plus 3, that's 6, then 6 plus 4, that's 10, and so on and so forth. But Gaius, on the other hand, decided not to do that. So he noticed a trend that 1 plus 100 equals 101, 2 plus 99 equals 101. Then he noticed that 3 plus 98 equals 101, 50 plus 51 equals 101. So when you check the trend, you realize that it's just going to be about 50 pairs. So what he did was he just multiplied the number of the pairs by the addition of this. Then he had 101. Then the answer was 50-50. So that was how Gaius solved the question. However, when you're having a theoretical question like this has been asked for you to solve theoretically, or for you to have a better understanding of how you arrive at the answer, this is similitude to arithmetic progression, in the sense that this is telling us that what is the sum of all numbers. So when you're talking about all numbers, you're having 1, 2, 3 up to 100. That's what we are talking about here. So in this arithmetic progression, it means you're having a common difference. So the common difference here is 2 minus 1, and that's 1. Then the last term here has been given as 100. Then the first term is given as 1. That's how to solve this question. Now, in order to establish the number of term that is written here, so we're having it as your last term equals a plus this, right? By the time you do your calculation about this, you have something of this nature, meaning a is coming to become L minus a. Then you divide both sides by the common difference. By the time this moves to the other side, then you have it to be this plus 1. That's that. Then if you want to match this up, it can be n equals L minus a plus d over d. But that's not necessary, so we can just quickly move on with this. So in order to get the number of terms of this question, what we are saying in essence is this. We are saying n, the number of terms, equals 100 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. 100 minus 1 is 99, right? So divided by 1 is 99. 99 plus 1 is 100. This is just to establish for subsequent ones that we're going to be solving. So n equals 100. That settles the number of 10. It means between 1 and 100 is going to be 100. That will be the number of 10 that we're going to be using. Now, in order to solve for this question, that the sum of all terms between 1 and 100, so we know that the sum of AP is S equals n over 2 a plus L. That's sum of AP. So from here, we already have it to be S equals 100 divided by 2. Our A is 1, then 100. Then with this, we're having 50 times 101, 50-50, which is the same result that Gaius got from the question that was solved. So the same answer, different pathway, but understanding the breakdown of how this works is what I've just done. So when you see questions like this, don't get scared. Just try as much as possible to face them, get the number of terms, then you use the sum of AP to arrive at the answer. So if you love this video, ensure to click the thumbs up button, share with someone else, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do well to come back, and bye-bye for today.